nara waiata tangi, or, you know, he waiata hari, he waiata whakanui, kia tūwhare toa. So when the whakaaro came about Te Tānekai, I was going, oh, I don't want to get too controversial in this kaupapa. Hey, there's a hari, and then there's the controversial, and then there's also cheeky, and there's also a lot of deep kōrero within that Te Tānekai. This was about 3 weeks ago, and then last week was going, okay, we don't have any kupu. We've got a group of names without any kōrero happening within our team. So I was just waiting on, and then I said, oh, well, part of the task too was, if you wanted to, was put the whakapapa of tūwhare toa. I was going, okay, I don't have any kupu, I'm just going to put this tune together, and I'm only just going to put the tune to the whakapapa. Right? So it was a start. And put that in last Tuesday when we were in our Zoom. And sort of left it there for my group to go, okay, here's another 5 cents to the waiata. It didn't sort of happen, but kete pai tira. I was also waiting for today to catch up with my bro. And if there was some space and time to put some more kupu or whakaaro around this waiata. So, yeah. So what we're going and sort of what I put through was again whakapapa from Puhaorangi down to tūwhare toa. We didn't go into Te Tānekai. I thought, oh man, if we're going to go to Te Tānekai, we need a little bit more than 2 weeks worth of group talk. So I put down the whakapapa, put down the tune, and then caught up with the bro today. So we're going whakapapa, and then uri o tūwhare toa, and then we've just got to give him a paku mihi, and then just even talk to Brother Mika and you know, what was a few of his attributes. He ranga tira ia, he tangata pakanga, you know, he said he looked like, Mika said he looked like him. I said, oh, he tangata puro tū. So he kicked out tangata puro tū. I said, he kupu anō, he tangata, you know, handsome. He goes, no, we'll just stick puro tū. Rangatiras in the whare, think of a he kupu anō, we can slide it in. He tangata, manaki iwi, pakanga, tangata pakana, tangata purotu, he whai mana. And then I said, is there paku tau parapara, e pānaki āia, te rangatira nei? And he goes, yeah, tūwhare toa, wai rākau, tūwhare toa, te au pauri. So we put some wana ingoa, and then coming into our song, we ended it how we started it. Sure. Kōrero? Yeah. Mika's going to play while I'm going to try and put some actions to it right now. Yeah, so pardon me, I can't see. That's why I've got my these dark glasses. My actual ones are pakuru wire.
I'll put it right up against your face if you want.
Well, portai, I think, bro.
Here we go.
taunga o atua matua ora kauri ngā toro e rangi o tangi hia tangi moana ko ka hukura o rangi tākungu mawa ke nui mawa ke roa mawa ke taupo o tu whare toa anei o uruki e tukaha ke nei e mihi tēnei ki a koe e te rangatira he tangata manaki iwi he tangata pakanga he tangata kurotu he tangata whaimana o tu whare toa e waiwai rako o tu whare toa i te anga pari tu whare toa kai tangata tu whare toa te rangatira ka hukura, rangi tākungu, mawa ke nui, mawa ke roa, mawa ke tau